Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit this beautiful form and you can export it as PDF or as image. So I will give you a file like this here, .fig file. First, you have to go. Let me open a new Windows. First, you have to go to figma.com. And from here you have to get started for free, this button, or you can even press on this button also. And after pressing this button you have to continue with your Gmail that already logged in your browser, and you can click here also continue with Google. I'm clicking here and it will redirect to my Gmail account like this. And if I hit continue, let's see what's happened. We are on logged in our fresh new Figma dashboard, and you have to put a name here as well, and you can complete this process or you can escape it. And after escaping it, and let me show you how you have to deal with, and you will find a dashboard like this, and there will be nothing. You will have this four options here and two different files here. First you have to click here the import file, and now import from your computer. And I'm going to my file here and I will give you this file. Just click it here and let's open it. And click on done. And here you can see it's already imported here. This is the new one I just imported here. You will find it in here, and if you double click on it, and it will open our main file. And now this is the time to change this all text and numbers, also colors if you want. Everything we can adjust it from here. So let me show you how you can change the box text here. First of all, just if you take your mouse, you can see this blue line, blue selected area. This is our separate box, and if I double click on it, and if I double click and stay clicking, and finally we can select our text, and now we can change it whatever we want. And if I want to redo it or undo it, for undo I am pressing Control and Z, and it's came back to our previous text. And now this is the second section. If I want to change this text or the number, I already double clicked on it and we can change this number. Okay, and everything we can change here. This is very handy here. Now if I want to adjust this and this also, for selecting these two elements I can left click on here. You can see at the left hand side it's selected this frame 47. This item's name is 47, and if I click here, number 46 is selected here. And if I click here and press Ctrl in my keyboard and select this one, we can select these two together. And if I click here, and when I take the mouse here, you can see this is arrow indicator happening here. And if I press left on my mouse, and if I hold it like up or down, we can adjust this box width and height also, like this. Okay, I'm making it shift A to make this. Okay, no problem. If you want to adjust this weight, I click here and we have to come this end, and you can see this is I will fix it for you. Let select this one, and we can, sorry, give me some time, we can make it this hug, and it will adjust our width now like this. Okay, no need to change this, it will be workable for you. You don't need to change it, we can change the text anyway. No need for change this height right now. Okay, that's it. And if you are done, this is the time we can download our files. If I make a duplicate, I mean there will be multiple file, multiple pages or slide we can say. And now if we, here we have two slides or two pages here. If we want to export these two elements, then we have to go for file, sorry, this little icon here, Figma icon, and if I go for file and here export frame to PDF, if I click here, and we have to put uh, size here, and if I click on export, this is exported our file. Okay, this is very good, very easy. And if you want to download this one separately as PDF, I click here page number A42, and if I click here this little export section, by default it will be like this export. If I click here, and we can choose our format. Here we have PNG, JPG, SVG and PDF. We can even uh, click on the JPEG, or we can click we can select the both also from here. And if I go for the export two layers, it is exported as a zip file. Okay, this is very simple to export file and editing file also. So I hope you understand how to edit this file. Thank you.